Introducing the Adjustable Setup Block. A versatile, single setup block that doesn't limit you to just one size. The Adjustable Setup Block features a top and bottom 1/64 inch scale. You can set the tool to your critical dimension in 3 easy steps. Just depress the Quick Adjust button and slide the reference surface up or down close to your mark. Use the micro adjust to dial in your exact dimension. Then tighten the locking knob. It's that easy. The top scale measures the distance from the bottom of the base to the top face of the reference surface, making it ideal for setting bit depths at the drill press or your table saw fence position. The bottom scale measures the distance from the bottom of the base to the bottom face of the reference surface. It's perfect for adjusting the height of a router bit in your router table or setting the depth of cut on your table saw. The triangular base and reference surface are meticulously machined from a solid billet of aluminum and then anodized with our famous Woodpeckers red finish. The stainless steel inlays are precision cut on our state-of-the-art laser cutter and then are carefully polished with an old-school jeweled finish using modern technology. The Adjustable Setup Block is also available in metric, featuring a 0.5 millimeter top and bottom scale, giving you a range from 0.5 millimeters up to 28 millimeters. For quick and easy storage, we included a wall-mountable racket to keep your tool well protected, but always in plain sight. Keep an entire set of reference blocks right in your pocket. Order Woodpeckers Adjustable Setup Block today.